So I've been thinking more and more about the solution we came up with yesterday for fixing some of these media campaigns that we're converting from monthly to weekly amounts. So they appear in the booking calendar so that we can all check and see the availability for the next coming weeks and have it be accurate. So with our solution, we created a phantom campaign item to basically book the rest of the campaign item in the booking calendar so that people could see it. Although we decided on having no sales price so that it wouldn't screw up the amount net for the media campaign. The problem with that is that now we're recording all of the revenue in only these 48 weeks. So that means we're recording no revenue for these 5 weeks for this account. And the real problem with that is because a lot of these reports we've created, we're looking at monthly revenue or sales revenue for that month. And one of the ways that we pay our commission is we tally up all the sales per month per salesperson and then use that using a formula to get the commission, the extra amount they're getting paid. But basically, we tally up the sales they get credit for. So for the month of, they'll get half. So Michelle's the account owner for this, for Friendship Center, even though Doreen says she's a media campaign, but she's not getting the revenue. It's all going to Michelle. So Michelle's actually getting the amount that we're billing the client for, which for this particular account is $180 per month. So that's how much she gets credit for this month. So we keep track of that actually on this spreadsheet right here. So for February and January, she receives 180. But now, since we've created this phantom media campaign with no sales, our dashboards and our reports will report no sales for those 2 months. Or I think it'll report partial for January, since our revenue schedule is custom, splits it up by day. But as you can see here, I'm looking at the client revenue by account owner report. And this shows the account owner is equal to Michelle. This is for February, the next fiscal month. And it shows Friendship Center is doing 0. So that's going to be a problem because it's not going to match what Newsock is recording, the revenue for that month. So I think the only solution that I can come up with, other than trying to make it actually do 180 per month, like possibly what we could do is have like 12 campaign items and record that 180 in 1 week, the first week of each of those months. And then maybe it will actually work on here. It'll show that 180 for that 1 week. But then we'd also have to create phantom campaign items for the rest of the month to make sure it shows as booked, which might not be, the worst solution, especially because we're only going to be doing for 2017. So that would be like, four campaign items. We need to split this up and then do the revenue accordingly. We could do that, or I was thinking, we could just divide the 2,160 by 52 weeks, and it's going to be a decimal amount. I think it's going to be like 41.538, which might be better. It's not going to be, equal exactly to 180. It'll be a little bit under that. I think it would be like, I don't know, maybe like 121 or a lesser amount here. But that's more accurate than recording nothing. So I don't know. I'm not sure I want to get your opinion on what you think is the best route to go. Or maybe this isn't even a problem. Maybe there's another dashboard or report that we can use that will show like the amount net of the media campaign divided by however many months, and maybe that will help us. But I did look at the sales one. The only problem with that is that, Doreen's the campaign owner, and we need to look at the account owner. So that's why I was using the revenue reports. But yeah, let me know if you can think of a better solution, or if you have any suggestions, or what you think, because it's really stumping me. So, okay, thank you so much. Hope to hear from you soon.